In the vast realm of online opportunities, the pursuit of making money can be both exhilarating and bewildering. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or someone exploring the possibilities for the first time, the path to online financial success can seem like a maze. If only someone had shared the insights earlier, guiding you through the twists and turns of the digital landscape. Well, we're here to provide you with precisely that roadmap. In this guide, we'll delve into 10 crucial points that encapsulate the art of making money online. From identifying your niche to the intricacies of monetization, these pearls of wisdom will empower you to navigate the online world of financial opportunities with confidence and insight. So let's embark on this enlightening journey to unlock the secrets of online prosperity. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Identify your niche. Identifying your niche for online money making is about pinpointing a specific area of expertise or interest. This focused subject becomes the foundation for your content or services, attracting a targeted audience. By catering to a niche, you establish yourself as an authority and can better meet the needs of your audience, increasing your chances of success. Whether it's technology reviews, vegan cooking, travel tips, or pet care, selecting the right niche aligns your passion with profit potential, as you can monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling niche-related products or services, enhancing your online money-making strategy. Number 9. Create quality content. Creating quality content is pivotal for online money-making. It involves producing informative, engaging, and valuable material that resonates with your target audience. Well-researched articles, captivating videos, or insightful podcasts establish credibility and attract a loyal following. Quality content not only drives organic traffic, but also enhances the potential for monetization through ads, affiliate marketing, and product sales. Number 8. Build an audience. Building an audience is essential for online money-making. It involves consistently engaging with and growing a group of dedicated followers who are interested in your content or offerings. Interact with your audience through social media, newsletters, and community-building efforts. Provide valuable and relevant content to foster trust and loyalty. As your audience grows, you gain more visibility and opportunities for monetization. Advertisers, sponsors, and customers are more likely to be attracted to a sizable and engaged audience. Building a strong, dedicated fan base is a key step in turning your online presence into a profitable venture. Number 7. Monetize with ads. Monetizing with ads is a popular online money-making strategy. It involves displaying advertisements on your platform, such as a website, blog, or YouTube channel. Ad networks like Google AdSense pay you for ad impressions and clicks generated by your audience. The more traffic and engagement your content receives, the higher your ad revenue potential. To optimize earnings, strategically place ads without compromising user experience. It's a passive income source that can be profitable, particularly for content creators with a significant following. Balancing ad presence with user satisfaction is crucial to maximize income while maintaining audience retention. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a lucrative online money-making method where you promote products or services from companies through unique affiliate links. You earn a commission for each sale, click, or action generated through your referrals. It's a low-risk, high-reward strategy as you don't handle product creation or inventory. Instead, you leverage your online presence, whether through a blog, social media, or email marketing, to drive traffic and conversions for affiliated businesses. The key is to choose products or services relevant to your niche and provide honest and compelling recommendations, establishing trust with your audience. It's a scalable income source with the potential for significant earnings as your audience and marketing skills grow. Number 5. Sell digital products. Selling digital products is a profitable online money-making strategy. It involves creating and marketing digital goods like ebooks, online courses, software, graphics, or music. These products can be downloaded instantly, making them highly convenient for customers. You invest time and effort upfront in product development, but can sell the same item repeatedly without additional production costs. Platforms like Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, Udemy, or Etsy offer opportunities to reach a broad audience. Success depends on your product's quality and effective marketing strategies, and it can provide a passive income stream once your digital products gain popularity in your niche or industry. Number 4. Freelancing. Freelancing is a versatile online money-making option where you offer your skills and services to clients or businesses on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. You can provide services in various fields such as writing, graphic design, web development, or digital marketing based on your expertise. Freelancing offers flexibility and the ability to set your rates and choose projects that align with your strengths and interests. Successful freelancers build a strong portfolio, client relationships, and reputation, which can lead to a consistent income stream. It's an accessible way to leverage your skills and earn money online while working from anywhere. Number 3. E-commerce. E-commerce involves starting an online store to sell physical or digital products. It's a powerful online money-making avenue where you can either sell your own products, source goods for resale, or use dropshipping to offer products without stocking inventory. Building a user-friendly website, optimizing product listings, and implementing secure payment gateways are crucial for success. E-commerce provides opportunities to reach a global customer base and offers scalability as your business grows. Effective marketing, customer service, and product selection are key to generating consistent income in the highly competitive e-commerce landscape. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Amazon offer various e-commerce opportunities. Number 2. Subscription models. Subscription models involve offering premium content or services behind a paywall or monthly fee. Creators, such as writers, YouTubers, or software developers, can monetize their work by providing exclusive access to subscribers who pay regularly. This consistent income stream encourages creators to produce high-quality, consistent content for their loyal audience. Platforms like Patreon, Substack, and streaming services use subscription models effectively. Number 1. Online consulting and coaching. Online consulting and coaching is a lucrative method for making money online by leveraging your expertise. You offer personalized guidance, advice, or training in your field of knowledge, often through video calls or webinars. By positioning yourself as an expert, you attract clients seeking your insights and assistance. To succeed, build a strong online presence, establish your credibility, and market your services through social media, a website, or platforms like Zoom. Effective communication and problem-solving skills are vital, as clients rely on your expertise to achieve their goals. Online consulting/coaching provides a rewarding income stream while helping others succeed in their endeavors. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below.